Happy Friday, everybody. It is the 16th of April, 2021. Taking a look at Litecoin, which it hasn't made new all-time highs yet, but it is certainly pushing up there. For the week, it's up. From the open on the 13th to the high that we saw, we were up over 30%. Currently, on the day, we've been close to up to 10%. Now we're pulling back just a little bit. But I do want to point out something here that very nice bullish Ichimoku conditions here. The weekly chart likewise continues to remain very bullish, but near-term pressure is showing up. So this is not a Fibonacci retracement, but there is where are you at? There is an harmonic pattern. Is it a harmonic pattern or whatever? Here, it's a bearish butterfly, which is a pretty strong reversal, and right up around 360 is where that ends. Look out for that, because we could very likely see prices kind of pull back here throughout the rest of the Friday trade, and then spike up really fast to recover those losses, capture a lot of bears, and then ultimately see it spike up pretty handedly towards that 360 zone, and then face a deep retracement. 360, there's really not a whole heck of a lot of historical support up there. I don't know how likely that would last. I'm more looking at the 1618 level. I do a fib extension here. That is kind of close to the 200% extension from this swing of A, B, C, D ending up over there. So, that is a key place to look at, but I'm not convinced it would hang around here very long. And that is to the upside and the downside. If it does come up here to hit the 360 level, watch for it to push down south. But at the same time, Litecoin is one of the big three. With Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's still, in the investment community, it's still considered one of the primary cryptocurrency assets, even though its market cap has suffered a lot from a lot of the flavor of the month cryptocurrencies. But that it hasn't had its new all-time high reached yet, or breached, that is a thing to pay attention to, because there's a lot of momentum in this market, and it's very likely that once we tag this zone, if the butterfly pattern fails to generate strong moves to the south, then watch out. It'll get up to 420 again very, very, very easily. It's a very fast move from there, from 360 to 420. It wouldn't take much for it to get there. So be on the lookout for that. But otherwise, definitely do pay attention to the market and watch for where things are going, because there is a lot of volatility that we could see generate here as we transition into the weekend. Again, the 360 value area is where I would like to see it get to before looking at any short entries. And if it does get there, then what I'd be looking at for a retracement, an area if I want to short up there, just say around that 360 level, and to the strong bar of the move, which would be this guy right here. Yeah, I'd be looking at 281.27. That's what I'd look for. That's where I'd look for support or a place to re-add in. And depending on the day that this occurs, it's very likely that the top of the cloud is going to be within that zone. So watch out for that as we move forward. But yeah, we should see a lot of activity going forward here into the weekend, hopefully. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. I hope you all have had a good week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.